Good day, YouTube. This is Jay Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on SNDL. I've talked about them numerous times here on the channel. I talk a lot about MJ here on the channel. But as you can see, they're down over 67% in the last year. Past 3 months, down over 34%. Here in the past month, down 7.5%. Here in the past week, down over 10%. And here's a look at today. They're down again. But had the reverse merger and the price just keeps dropping on it, so looks like it was up above $3, so we'll have to wait and see what happens with this one. But this is an MJ stock, ticker SNDL. Feel free to pause and go over that. Like I said, I've talked about them numerous times. An MJ stock founded in 2006. $597 million market cap, high today of $269, low of $250, 52-week high of $960, and a low of $2.12. Average volume of 4.78, and volume here today at 3.46. Here's a look at their earnings. Next is expected on November 10th. And so over here on Microsoft Bing, currently showing it as a buy, currently at $2.50. SNDL Canaccord reiterates rating following Super Red transaction, and as you can see, this is dated on the 4th. So they announced that they agreed to acquire all of the business and assets of Super Red substantially through a hybrid asset purchase and reverse vesting transaction. The assets acquired consent of 6 Super Red retail locations in Toronto and Ottawa. SNDL noted that Super Red would be returning to the court on September 9th to seek approval of the sale of assets. The Super Red team has worked tirelessly to create an immersive and differentiated experience within the MJ community. The bid seeks to further solidify SNDL's position as a prominent multi-banner MJ retailer operator. SNDL has agreed to provide Super Red with $2.1 million in pre-CCA debtor-in-possession financing, which will be used to allow Super Red to continue its day-to-day activities during CCAA proceedings. SNDL currently has 4 analysts covering the stock with an average of 12-month price target of $4.51, or an upside of 66% out of 4 analysts. Strong rating, 1 analyst is a buy. The last 2 showed a hold. We'll go over more ratings here towards the end, but SNDL sits and waits for direction at $2.72 the price, and this a couple days ago on Thursday, September 1st, with a fall of 4.56% from the closing price on the previous day. Taking a look at the stock, we noticed the last check on the previous was $2.85, and the beta rating 4.87. The price kept floating, range of $267 to $284, and so the range is anywhere from $212 to $960. Stock came adding 10.5% in its value. So a lot of this we already went over, so feel free to pause and go over the rest of that there yourself. Moving on here, SNDL is either an instant disaster or a huge opportunity. I've been saying that for months, which one it is. And this is dated here on the 6th. So in the last trading, 2.81 million SNDL shares changed hands of the company's Beta Touch Zero, with the company's per share price at $2.68 change hands minus 4 cents, or 1.47%. During the last session, the market valuation stood at $647.30 million. SNDL's last price was a discount traded at about a minus 258.21% off of the 52-week high of $9.60. Share price had a 52-week low of $2.12, which suggests the last value was 20.9% up since then. Took a look at Sundial average trading volume. We note the 10-day average of 4.77 million shares, with the 3-month average coming in at 7.37 million. Here it kind of goes over some more ratings. Over here on Reddit, past revenue $223.7 million. Announced agreement to acquire the Valens Company to create leading vertically integrated MJ platform, and this was about 2 weeks ago. Sundial here on StockTwits, currently at 250, low of 212, high of 960. Same exact trash tomorrow as it was today. We're still following the sector. Went down with losers like Tilray, which probably mulling and offering. So Tilray is down. And have to look at Tilray as well. Holding overnight, I love BK plays, looking at for a minimum at 10 cents. And over here on MSN Money, currently at 250, showing a buy rating with an upside to 544. That's all that I have on Sundial. If you have Sundial, go ahead and list that in the comments, along with your cost basis and any other information you'd like to share. And I'll link my other videos in the description for you to watch. And if you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing. And hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money, following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.